To trigger a pipeline in GitLab, you can use several methods depending on your workflow needs. Push a commit. The most common way to trigger a pipeline is by pushing a commit to a branch that is configured to run pipelines. When you push code changes to a GitLab repository, GitLab automatically triggers a pipeline if the branch has a GitLab ci.yml file. This file defines the pipeline configuration. Using merge requests, pipelines can also be triggered when a merge request is created or updated. If the GitLab ci.yml file includes configuration for merge request events, pushing changes to a branch associated with a merge request will trigger a pipeline. Manual trigger. You can manually trigger a pipeline from the GitLab UI by navigating to the project, then going to CI/CD Pipelines. Click the Run Pipeline button, select the branch or tag to run the pipeline on, and optionally specify variables. Using API. Pipelines can be triggered programmatically using the GitLab API. Send a post request to the pipeline trigger endpoint with the necessary parameters, including the project ID, trigger token, and reference branch. Schedule pipelines. Set up scheduled pipelines to run at specific intervals by going to CI/CD Schedules and defining the schedule.